Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today for you we have got an unboxing and this is very exciting. I've never had this box before and I have watched it been unboxed so many times by Diary of a 40 something and Lightning Lass. I'm not sure if anyone else has it, I'm not sure, but yeah, I just really fancied trying something different this month. I had Look Fantastic for a couple of months. I did like it, but I've heard this month isn't going to be that good. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to use a discount code from one of those lovely ladies and yeah, get myself a Degusta box to see what all the fuss was about. So it arrived today and I will link all the details of it below. And we're just gonna open it up. It's massive, like literally DPD delivered it, so they are like the most amazing like courier service. They literally like tell you when they're coming, who's coming, all that jazz. And Degusta box, if you don't know, is a subscription box which is like snacks and food and like new things, like things that you may not have seen before, like unusual stuff, which is quite interesting. This month, they did have a little card in here somewhere. Here we go. Oh, got another little 50p off some stuff. Okay, so this month's theme is barbecue, barbecue, barbecues. And I'm just gonna pull some items out randomly. So the first item that we have this month is a honeycomb bar. This is £1, available from Sainsbury's, and it's salted caramel. Yeah, that sounds very nice. Honeycomb, 133 calories, light crisp salted caramel, made with honey and covered in caramel flavour, Belgian milk chocolate. Okay, that's got to go in the fridge. The next thing I have is some biscotti. A heavenly huddle of Belgian white chocolate, zingy cranberries and sublime pistachios entwined deep within our classic buttery crumbly biscotti. £1.30. You know what? I'm gonna eat that. That's gonna be nice. Okay, so next we have some cheesy oven bake. Ooh, gratin. Just add milk. So it's like potato chips with like a white sauce. That sounds nice. I do like that sort of thing. £2.30. Oh, that's a bargain. Easy gratin bake with preparation of less than 3 minutes. Cook time for less than 30. Impressive accomplishment to any meal. Contains use a casserole dish, hot water, milk and a knob of butter, and let the oven do the rest. Oh, I might have that tonight. Okay, so these aren't actually on my box, but I've got them in the bag, and I'm guessing they're the item that you get extra. So on the first box you get like one extra item, and this is strawberry banana smoothie bites. They're natural flavoured crisps. I'm going to open these because they're not on the box, so technically they're not in the box, which means I can eat them now. Ooh, that's weird. Oh my god. 1 of your 5 a day, no added sugar, vegan, gluten free. And they taste like dried strawberries. Really sweet though. Like, you can't really taste the banana. I have had a little bit. Yeah, they're really nice. I like those. They're kind of a little bit like mushy. They go a bit mushy in your mouth as they kind of rehydrate, but they're interesting. Okay, so next we have these Peckish Barbecue Rice Crackers multi-pack, £1.79. They're like crisps, thinner but lighter than crisps, gluten-free, made with rice bran oil, baked not fried. They look weird. I'm liking the look of those. Just rice crackers. They look good. £1.75. Yeah, they look nice. I definitely will eat those. Sauce, I've got 2 of these. I've got, this is here we go, that's it there. This is the Casablanca Latin flavour Cuban chili and lime cook sauce. Hot, made with chilies, and it's like a fresh sauce. Best before April 2019, so got a bit of a while yet. These are $1.99. Yeah, to make fajitas. That's what they recommend them for making fajitas. So I've got the chili and lime. Oh, there's the other one. And I've got chili and coconut. Ooh. Yeah, they look awesome. I don't eat a lot of spicy food, but it's nice to kind of mix things up a little bit. You know, a bit of chicken, a bit of Brazilian coconut cooking sauce, maybe some vegetables, bit of rice. Yeah, sounds good. I think I'll try those. Next we have some Frylight. This is Frylight avocado oil. Oh, so I've tried the normal Frylight and I used that and I really liked it. This is, I've never tried avocado oil. 1 calorie a spray. $2.99. Oh, this is exciting. I'm looking forward to trying this. This will be good. Yeah, cool. Happy days. Okay, next we have some brioche buns. I've seen these before, but these feel pretty darn good. I'm very tempted to do sausages in brioche buns tonight. Get creative with our delicious pan oelat. Free from preservatives, artificial flavours and fats, our soft and tasty brioche rolls can be enjoyed any moment of the day. Also ideal for barbecue with family and friends. Please visit our website for recipes. And on the back, they've got recipes. Yeah, they've got summer brioche. Easy come and go picnic. Yeah, I am liking the look of that. Lots of nice ideas on the back on how to use those. Yeah, I like brioche. Really nice. Okay, so now we've got a brand called Fire fruit drinks. I've never heard of these before and they look super interesting. They are $1.29 each and I've got the flavour blueberry, blackcurrant, peppers and chilli. Like, that is insane. Refreshing sparkling fruit drink with an added kick from peppers and chilli, enough to sweeten your fruits and keep you wanting more. So, that should taste weird. I want to try it now, but I feel like I need to chill it first. There is another flavour, lemon and ginger. Now that is more my street, but you know what? I definitely will drink those. They're super exciting. Yeah. Ooh. Okay, so then we have 2 Oranginas. I haven't had Orangina in a long time. I remember when it used to come in a glass bottle. Now it's in plastic. And this is a sparkling fruit drink. Best served shaken, made with real orange pulp, no added sugar. These are, how much did I say? £1.20. £1.20 each. Cool. I'm really liking the fact there's lots of drinks in this box because it's so hot. So I think this is really good. And last but not least, another drink. This is raspberry and blueberry, no more. No and more. Okay. So, no and more, raspberry, £1.29. Beautifully balanced spring water with a hint of raspberry and blueberry. No sugar, no sweeteners, no preservatives. Natural pH. Yeah. Sounds good. Sold at Boots and Waitrose. Cool. Lovely jubbly. I'm just going to tally this up very quickly to see roughly how much it came to. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It's about 20 odd quid. That's about a little kind of like mini shopping haul for 20 quid, and I only paid £7.50 or something. It was about £7. Yeah. Well, I am very impressed with that. I'm really glad I got this month's box to try. I don't know if I'll get it next month. I'll just have to wait and see. But yeah, in the meantime, I'm going to get myself a nice cold drink, make myself some brioche burgers. Oh, and before I forget, if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out my giveaway and hit that notification button for my next video upload. And I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.